welcome back to the channel. We're at Toronto Pearson Airport at Hertz Car Rental on a Sunday evening. And let's take a look at the cars they have available here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already subscribed. Click that like button if you want to see more of these videos. And we'll start things up here with a quick look at President Circle. Okay, we're going to start off again Sunday evening here, President Circle. Alright, so we got one of these Kia SUVs. These are fairly new. I think there was one of these in the last update I did on Saturday. Kia, oh yeah, the Sorento, right? And we got a Toyota Camry. And then on the other side, we got another Camry over here. And then we got a Mazda CX-5. Let's take a look at this. This actually just rolled in. Okay, there's only 4 cars in President Circle. Oh, actually, this looks kind of nice. See how many miles are on this. Oh, yeah, this would be nice. It's got that leather sunroof. Mileage is not coming up for us, but I'm assuming this is pretty new. Yeah. Not sure if these have a trim level. CX-5 all-wheel drive. Sky Active. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Sunday night, Hertz, Toronto Airport. We got 4 cars in President Circle. For anybody keeping track here, we got 1 car in 5-star. We got this small Nissan here in 5-star. Be sure to check out my national video from the same date here on Sunday night because they got a full house. Hertz has got an empty house Sunday here. I'm sure they're getting cars on the returns, but they're definitely not as many. Okay, Nissan Kicks. Okay, so we got 1 car in 5-star Sunday evening. They do have a couple cars in reserve down here. I don't know why they're not pulling any of these cars into any of the aisles. But yeah, we got a minivan, RAV4, a couple RAV4s, a Nissan SUV. There's a Dodge Charger GT down there. Another minivan, Ford Edge. Okay, so let's wander over to Gold. We got a couple cars in Gold. We got a Kia Rio, Kia Soul over there. That Civic's parked the wrong way. I'm guessing that's not available. And we got a smaller Nissan SUV. Gold. Okay, so Gold has 4 cars. Right. You saw it here. Gold's got 4 cars. And Premium Upgrades has a Nissan Micra. Somebody climbing out of it. Let's take a look at the other side. Yeah, Reserve is looking kind of empty too. I don't know. Oh, Hertz does not have a lot of cars. You can check out my national video. They've got tons of cars. Okay, so we got a Ford Edge, 2 of them, and Chevy Equinox. Well, kind of like that green color. It's different. Toyota Highlander. We got a Volvo XC60, I would say. Dodge Durango Hemi. Toyota Sienna minivan from Vancouver. We got a Santa Fe, another Edge, and let's just take a quick look at this Durango because there's not much else to show you guys here. Maybe we can see how many miles are on this. I kind of like these. Yeah, it's got the sunroof. Well, this is the older one though. Well, I guess by the mileage, 46,000 kilometers on it, and it's got a strong smoke smell in it. But these are always a good size. The only thing with the Hemi and gas prices today, it'd probably be a lot in fuel cost. But yeah, these are a lot of fun. So anyway, sorry guys, not much else to show you, but just a heads up, if you're renting from Hertz, just hope they have a car for you. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos and updates, go ahead, click that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.